Welcome back to the Coding Problem series. Today, we are going to tackle a classic binary tree problem: how to construct a unique binary tree when given its Inorder and Preorder traversals. This is a fundamental problem that tests your understanding of tree data structures and recursion. Before we dive in, let's quickly refresh our memory. A binary tree is a structure where every node has at most two children, commonly called the left child and the right child. The topmost node of the tree is known as the root. To solve this problem, you need to understand two traversal methods. First is Preorder Traversal, where we visit the root, then the left subtree, and finally the right subtree. Second is Inorder Traversal, where we visit the left subtree first, then the root, and finally the right subtree. These specific orders are the key to unlocking the solution. Here is our challenge. You are given two arrays representing the same tree. One array lists the nodes in preorder, and the other lists them in inorder. Your task is to use these two sequences to reconstruct the exact original structure of the binary tree. Let's look at the first key insight. In a preorder traversal, remember that we visit the root first. This means the very first element of any preorder array is always the root of that tree. In our example, the number 3 is the first element, so we know for a fact that 3 is the root. Now for the second insight. Once we have identified the root from the preorder array, we can find that same value in the inorder array. Because inorder visits left, then root, then right, finding the root essentially splits the array into two halves. Everything to the left of the root belongs to the left subtree, and everything to the right belongs to the right subtree. Let's visualize the process. Step 1, we look at our preorder array. The first number is 3. We immediately create a node with the value 3. This is the start of our tree. Step 2, we take that value 3 and search for it in our inorder array. We find it at index 1. This tells us that the value 9, which is to the left, makes up the left subtree. The values 15, 20, and 7, which are to the right, make up the right subtree. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Recursion. We now have two smaller problems. We take the left portion and repeat the exact same process to build the left child. Then, we take the right portion and repeat the process to build the right child. We keep doing this until we run out of nodes. Here is what the code logic looks like. We define a function that takes the preorder and inorder arrays. First, we check if the arrays are empty. If so, we return null. Next, we pick the first element of preorder as our root. We find its index in the inorder array. Finally, we recursively call the function for the left and right children, passing in the corresponding slices of the arrays. Let's discuss efficiency. The time complexity is big O of n squared in the worst case, because for every node, we might search the entire inorder array to find the index. However, we can optimize this to big O of n by using a hash map to store the indices. The space complexity is big O of n due to the recursion stack and storing the result. To summarize, use the preorder array to find the root. Use the inorder array to determine the boundaries of the left and right subtrees. Use recursion to repeat this logic for every node. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.